Hello, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, today I'm going to be starting off a series where I'll be giving my daily bias here on YouTube. So, do well to subscribe, like this post so YouTube can push my video for others to see, comment, and share. So, let's dive into today's section. So, I'm sure you've seen this text on my screen saying weekly bullish, daily bearish, 4 hours bearish and 1 hour bullish. Of course, you're seeing series of high highs and higher lows on the weekly time frame, right? And I drew this support zone. I marked it green, and I drew it from daily time frame. So I start by saying weekly is bullish. We have a massive buys candles. So daily time frame, you can see how price has been retesting this support turn to resistance, resistance turn to support. So this zone is valid. This zone is very strong. So daily, like I said, is bearish. You can see price creating series of lower highs and lower lows. We have a low, we have a high, a lower low, we have a lower high. Definitely, it's going to be a correction for the weekly bias. So this daily is just a correction for a weekly bias. Remember, we have a weekly demand zone. This is a weekly demand zone. And this is a very strong low because this low took out this high. So now immediately price got to this zone. Although it took out the low because we had, that's why I wrote here, sell liquidity has been taken to clear a profitable bias because this guys was responsible or were responsible for taking out this strong high here. So of course liquidity is resting below here. But one thing I understand is they can create they can take out the old order block or the old demand zone and create a new one. So of course that's what they did here. They took out this demand zone or another block, then they created a new one. You can see how they left here immediately. Do you guys? So now this we're having a correction back, and I'm expecting a break of structure to the upside. So daily, like I said before, is bearish. And let me give you an example here. Uh, let's see. You can see the pattern. It's giving us bearish pattern to the downside. So of course, why I said 4 hours is bearish and 1 hour is bullish. Now my 4 hours, my daily time frame is bearish and the moving average is above. What happened is my 4 hours is bullish. Sorry, this 4 hours is bullish. My moving average is below. Before, when I wrote this stuff, I think it was on Friday then. So now my moving average is below. So I'm going to make a correction here. I love to use this moving average as my confluence. So see, we have a low, we have a high, we have a low, higher low, we have a higher high. Then the retracement into the zone, that's what I'm looking at. So this the orange color is 62%, while this is 78. So price reacted off this discount zone. So of course I started buying. So now where is my new demand zone? Is this line that I drew on daily time frame, the support zone. Then I also I have a demand zone on 1 hour. 4 hours is bullish, moving average is below. Same likewise 1 hour. Same likewise 1 hour. We have a low, we have a high, we have a low, we have a high, we have a low, we have a high. So I drew this guy on 1 hour. So I'm expecting price to come back into this zone, then buy. So this guy has my inducement. So basically that's for BTC USD. So let me go over to US 30. Weekly bullish, daily bullish. In fact, everything is just bullish. Like weekly, we are having a massive push to the upside. This is a crazy buys. Like this, is a crazy price action. Uh, the volume for buyers is very massive, and my moving average is below. Daily, same likewise. My moving average is below. We have series of high highs and high lows. Now, uh, my recent support zone is this. I drew it from my line chart. I drew this guy from my line chart. So on daily time frame, you see candlesticks pattern. I mean, you see how price broke the zone, retested. Same here, broke the zone, retested. So this is a valid support zone or a demand zone. So 4 hours bullish. We have a 4 hours bullish. See how price broke, retested this zone. Yeah, my moving average is below. So of course, I'm going to be looking at a buy around this range, this daily range low and this daily range high. My 1 hour, what is it giving me? My 1 hour is giving me a recent break of structure to the upside, still giving me a bullish pattern. Recent break of structure to the upside. So of course, I'm going to draw my fib from here to this guy. So I'll be looking at buys around this discount zone here. So yeah, my moving average is also pointing that zone. So that means it's valid. Um, let's go over to let's go over to gold. Remember, the weekly is bullish, daily is bullish, 4 hours is bullish, 1 hour is bullish on US 30. So basically, I'm not looking for sales anytime soon. And I also think the market has created the low of the year on stock markets, commodities, and forex, in the forex market. So um, on gold, what am I seeing? Daily bullish, sorry, weekly bullish, daily bullish, 4 hours bullish, 1 hour bullish. Weekly, this is a series of high highs and high lows, like price just taking out the supply zones while respecting the demand. By daily, daily is bullish. You can see we have a break of structure here. Price retested the zone. Last week, Friday, price created a new all-time high, breaking a structure to the upside. So I have this zone here, I marked green. Where did I draw it from? I think it was from, I think 4 hours. Yeah, yeah. No, daily time frame, I think so. Daily time frame, yeah. We have this double top, yeah. So there's a high liquidity. So I'm expecting price to come into the zone to retest. So like a break and retest. So if you check on the candlesticks pattern, you see where I drew that stuff is the top of this candle on the daily time frame. So of course, from this zone to the from this place to this side, imbalance. So of course, price is going to come back for the imbalance. So that means I'll be looking for buys around the zone here. Let me draw my fib from yeah to yeah. So I'm looking to buy around this count zone here. So I'm expecting price to dip in into this zone here, then buy. So daily bullish, 4 hours, same bullish. So we have it clean demand zone here. You can see a demand zone bullish order block. So I'm expecting a retracement into the zone, then buy. Before retracement, I'm expecting price to take out this Friday high before coming to the demand zone. So yeah, 1 hour, same thing, bullish pattern. You get. So I would like price to use this as an inducement, then come into the zone, then buy. Or when price gets into the zone, I'm just expecting price to create a new demand zone with a displacement candle. Displacement candle is somehow like an engulfing candle where price is going to like react on it. Like this guy here. When price broke this zone here, it came back and retested. Now of course I'm going to find something on lower time frame. It's an imbalance here. This is a week to week base. So that was the guy responsible for pushing price up in an inducement retested and I started buying. And you can see my moving average is coming above this current market price. So next week I'm expecting price to take out this high, then give me a change of character. Then by then my moving average is already above it. Then maybe I might take a sell or just wait for the demands price to get to this demand zone. Now, all these things that I've said, what is giving me confidence is DXY. DXY is super bearish. Do I right like price is reacting off this demand zone, but we can see that price is on the sweet downtrend. To get price is on a sweet downtrend. But though I have a manipulation candle here, I think this candle happened during CPI. This guy. There's something I saw here. I think it was on 1 hour, but it's a manipulation candle where it doesn't have a high, just have a low of the candle. So it doesn't have the wick at the top. I mean, so I don't know if price is going to because the month of August is I think it's mostly for manipulation and volatility. So I don't know if price is still going to come here or just continue the bearish pattern, the bearish move, because this is a clean downtrend from the weekly down to the daily. You can see a massive candle to the downside. Uh, on the daily, super bearish candle, 4 hours, and everything. My moving average is just above the current market price, so it's still giving me a bearish pattern. So until then, I'm still bearish on DXY, while bullish on stock markets, commodities, and forex. So see you guys on the next episode. Stay safe and stay blessed.